Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be unboxing a red iguana practice hand. So originally she just had the left hands available, but this one is the new right hand. So let's see what's inside. So this is how the hand will be packaged, and April wrote me a cute note. It says, "Dear Evelyn, I hope you will enjoy Keisha's sister. Hugs and kisses, April." I love it. So this is what the hand looks like. I love this pretty lacy bag that it comes in, super gorgeous. And I also picked up some replacement full cover nails for when I want to switch out my designs. But I am loving the upgrading packaging. You get foam, you get packing peanuts in there to keep nice and safe during transit. Alright, so let's get into the hand. So as stated, this is the right hand. So that is pretty cool. She now has available where you can choose if you want the left hand or if you want a right hand, and you can either get the regular version or the posable version, or you can just buy both and save also like on a bundle deal or whatever. Alright, so this is Miss Keisha next to the new right hand, and Keisha still has on her ice bling nails, but but you know what, this is gonna be Keisha's hands too. Like, Keisha has a full set now, you know, so if I wanted to do a full set or something like that, you know, that would be definitely an option. I'm not sure if I'll do that yet. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, this one is the posable version, and you guys know how I love the posable silicone hand. I just feel like it's way more functional, and you know, a lot of people always complain about with other hands that the fingers kind of get in the way and all that, but with this hand, you know, you don't have that problem. So like, say if I was working on Miss Keisha's index finger, I can just move her other fingers out the way and I don't have to worry about, you know, hitting them or anything like that. So yeah, the posable hands do have some armature in it, which makes it posable. So it does have the armature, and then it's obviously coated with the silicone. So this is a close-up, and as you can see, the detail is just immaculate. Like, I cannot believe how they make these hands look so real. It's crazy. So yeah, this hand does have like real weight to it, so you don't have to worry about it like floating around or anything like that. Typically I just put it on like a armrest and it just lays there with no problem, and I'm able to, you know, do my designs and all of that. So if you guys are interested, April was so kind enough to give my subscribers a coupon code. My coupon code is LHPN, and you will save 10%. And we all know these hands are expensive, but with my coupon, it makes them more affordable. So say if you wanted to get this posable hand, after the coupon and with shipping, you'll pay about $187. If you wanted to just get the regular silicone hand with no armature and it's not posable, it's just regular silicone, you can get that after my coupon for $160. So yeah, it is super affordable. I know the going rate now for a full hand is $200, so with my coupon, you guys, you would definitely save. And I have not seen any prices like for these hands that low, so definitely check out my coupon code. It doesn't expire or anything like that, so definitely take advantage of it if you guys are interested. I love my new Keisha right hand, and you guys will be seeing a whole lot more nail tutorials with Keisha. She might be like me and kind of just switch it up on both hands, you know. And a big thank you to April for supplying the coupon code. I know that will help you guys out a lot, and yeah, I wish I would have had that coupon code when I ordered mine. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. I will also link the videos down below where I use my silicone hand, and also a video showing you guys how I take off the tips and all that when I'm ready to do a new design. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing, and I hope you guys are able to take advantage of that 10% off, because it really does make a big difference. Yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you in my next one.